Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again. Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on this 2015 Chevrolet Equinox LS. The point of our walk arounds is simple: transparency, to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos that are located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down. They're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description which highlights options and features of the Equinox, just scroll up. It's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see those and get a free CARFAX report, original Windows sticker, financing options, and a quote for shipping anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of this video, we'll let you hear the engine of this 2015 Chevy Equinox. Thanks for joining us. Let's get to the walk around. Okay, we're going to walk around the Equinox. See the tread there? Very minor chips that once you back up 12 inches, you can't see them. On the hood, no dents or dings. Right around back here, there's some chips and scratches that have been touched up. Again, once you back up, you can't really see them. Same with this scratch. It's minor, but it's about 3 to 4 inches long. And again, it's very hard to see once you back away from the vehicle. But the rest of this thing, for 98,000 miles, is in impressive shape. Flawless roof. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, looking at the unique interior that they put in these Equinox. As you can see, no stains, rips, or I was gonna say holes, but the factory puts them in there themselves. In the back, it's very good. This thing, for the miles, guys, is amazing. Come check it out.